Hey there, I'm a DIY track guy. This is my humble garage, and today we do it again properly. This video is courtesy of a super awesome dude called Alden from montage.com. After watching me struggle with my janky free seat bolster fix, he took pity on me and sent me this unused set of Paco Motorsports seat bolsters. Thank you very much, Alden. Really appreciate your support of the channel. And after watching this video, please go check out his website, montage.com, for some high quality Miata DIY content in text format. So again, these are Paco Motorsports seat bolsters, and they're meant to add steel support to our aged, floppy, and pounded flat lateral seat bolster foam. In every way, they're far superior to my free solution, and they retail for $120. They say it installs in minutes, so let's give it a go. And for those of you who are new to the channel, this is my old free seat bolster fix, which is an NA Miata lower rad support bracket. And here's a closer look at it. It's only held in by one seat rail bolt and a pop rivet. And here we are at the seat rails. Just need to get rid of these pop rivets to remove this bracket. Now that we've got my old trash removed, we can see that the Paco Motorsports seat bolster, this is the right one, will sandwich between the seat rail and the bottom of the seat pan itself. It lines up with these two bolt holes, like so, and included in the kit are these new fasteners. I really like this forward mounting point here that's a slotted hole, and it'll allow me to push the seat bolster in and out depending on my desired amount of lateral foam support. This is interesting. Even though this is a thick piece of angle steel, notice that this part of the bracket is bending due to the leverage force that it's applying to the seat bolster. Pretty cool. Anyways, we got this side on, let's do the other side. And here it is installed. Notice how much it's pushing in the lateral seat bolster foam from front to back, using all of the available area to support this foam. My free fix provided pretty good support at the front, but almost none in the middle area here. And here's a look at it head on, and even though you can't see the Paco Motorsports metal support brackets on the sides, notice how much the lateral seat bolster foam is pushed in. And of course it'll provide you additional support by pressing into your legs as you perform those high G maneuvers in your local Walmart parking lot. Alright, and that's enough chit chat, let's get this thing back into the car. And here we are trying to reinstall the seat in the car, and notice that the front seat rail holes don't line up with the threaded holes on the chassis. If we tried to put the bolts in just like this, they'll go in crooked and strip the threads. Ask me how I know. So what we're going to do is use this spreader clamp to spread the seat rails a little bit so we can align the holes. And now you can see this lines up really nicely. Well, that did only take a few minutes to install, but are the Paco Motorsports seat bolsters worth the $120? Well, if you're the type of person who wants to keep the stock Miata seats with those headrest speakers, which I really like, then this mod indeed does add additional support and enjoyment for your spirited street driving. And thanks again to Alden from montage.com. Please go visit his website. You're awesome, I'm useless, thanks for watching. And thanks for sticking with me over these past few months where I haven't been making any videos, but now that it's spring and the weather's warming up, I'm gonna get back into the garage, and I do have a bunch of mods that I wanna do to the car that I wanna share with you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification, drop a comment. As always, I love to hear from you and I try to respond to everybody.